Select the plus icon followed by New Client. Then select the type of client that you would like to import. Here you'll be able to download the template file. You'll then need to go through and populate all of these fields. Once uploaded, you can then select Edit and change any of the fields you've already entered. You've got your general information, payroll information, and VAT information. Once happy, you can then select the clients you would like to import and then select Import. The imported clients will then appear in your client list.